nice activity for you. I have made one game for you. See, you are going to play one game related alphabets. So I have made this chart. These are the capital letters and these are the small letters. This is a caterpillar and see, can you see the sticks? I have pasted small letters on this asterisk sticks. So we are going to play one game. We have to match small letter with the capital letter. So let's play this game. This game will increase your motor skill. You will increase your eye-hand coordination and concentration span will increase and recognition will improve. So let's have fun with this game. So let's start. Children, see, I have made this game for you. Can you see these alphabets? This is a caterpillar made up of capital letters. See, you have to make such type of caterpillar on this chart paper. And one small pocket to keep small letters. I have used ice cream sticks and I have pasted small letters on this ice cream stick. So what we are supposed to do? We have to put small letters in front of capital letters. So we are supposed to find capital letter and small letter. So let's start. If you choose capital P, then what you have to do? You have to search for a small letter. Search where is small letter. Is this small letter? Is this small letter P? No. Is this small letter P? No. Is this small letter P? No. Is this small letter P? Yes, this is small letter P. So you have to take this and you have to keep in front of capital P. So this is capital P and this is small p. We have to match these letters. Now let's take another letter. See which one we are going to take. We will select capital E. This is capital E. Search where is small letter P. Where it is? Is this small letter E? Where is small letter E? Search where it is. Yes, see, is this small e? No. Is this small e? No. See, small e is here. So, you have to keep this small letter e in front of capital E. In this way, we have to match these letters with capital and small. So, let's take some small letters from these pockets. So, which alphabet you are going to take now? Let's take capital letter H. See, this is capital H. Now, search where is small letter H. Where is small letter H? Is this H? No, this is small letter. Yes, this is small letter H. Take this ice cream stick, small letter H, and you have to match in front of capital letter H. Like this. So you have to play this game like this with this capital letters and small letters at home. You can make this activity at home with the help of ice cream sticks and paper, and you will enjoy this game very much. This activity will help you to develop your concentration. You will recognize the capital letters and small letters. So, okay, enjoy this game at home. Thank you for watching this video.